In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Shopify from your URL. When you first create a Shopify store, your default address includes myshopify.com in the URL. While this works fine, it doesn't look very professional or branded. To make your store look more credible and polished, you'll want a custom domain, like yourstore.com, and you'll want that to be the main address customers see. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through how to do that directly from your Shopify dashboard. First, log into your Shopify account and head over to your main Shopify dashboard. This is the central hub where you manage everything in your store, from products and orders to settings. Make sure you're in the correct store if you manage more than one. Once you're on the dashboard, look towards the bottom left corner of the screen and click on Settings. This section is where Shopify keeps all the configuration options that control how your store behaves behind the scenes. We'll be working here to manage your domain. Inside the settings area, locate and click on the domains option. The domains page is where you can see all the web addresses connected to your store, including your default myshopify.com URL and any custom domains you might already have. This is also where you can change which domain is set as your primary, the one customers will see in their browser. To remove Shopify from your URL, you'll need a custom domain. On this domains page, look for the button that says Buy New Domain and click it. Shopify makes it easy to purchase a domain directly through their platform, which keeps everything in one place and automatically connects it to your store. If you already own a domain somewhere else, you could connect it instead, but here we'll follow the built-in purchase flow. Next, you'll be taken to the domain purchase area. Here you can search for the domain name you want, check which versions are available, and see the pricing. Once you find a domain that fits your brand and is available, select it, review the details, and then click on Buy. Follow the prompts to complete the purchase, including payment and any required contact information. After the purchase is complete, Shopify automatically connects that domain to your store. Back on the domains page, you can then set this new domain as your primary domain. Once that's done, your customers will see your new, clean